Hamster Kombat daily card combo. Are you guys ready for the 5 million rewards on Hamster Kombat? Well, here we go. So first of all, hit mining, and the first card is open up markets, then scroll down, and at the end you would be able to find this option of DAO. So simply upgrade it, and boom, this is the first card. Now for the second one, we need to unlock the trading bots right below it. So in order to unlock it, we need IT team level 9. IT team is in the PR team, and over here you get IT team. We need it level 9, so we will just simply upgrade it to level 9. Now let's get back to markets and scroll down, and trading bots is opened up. Let's go ahead in it, and this is the second card. Now for the third card, we will have to open up PR and team, and here you get the X, the Twitter. Simply upgrade it, and this is it. This is the third card. The 5 million rewards are all yours to take. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and also don't forget to like that button. See you in the next video.